I'm still taking the relaxed approach to emptying the vegetable beds. I cleaned out the tomato bed today. All the cages stacked and put away. And then I thought it was time to get all the broad beans out also. Salvaging every last little vegetable. We've been enjoying the tomatoes I pulled in previously as they slowly ripen. And those I placed in the garage to ripen more slowly are starting to ripen. It's been another good year, and my freezers are well stocked. Now, this is my bed of perennial walking onions, this little strip, and it got away from me last year, and I can't get on top of it. So I've enlisted some help. After assessing the full mess of this little bed, Bruce decided it might be worth a try with the old plow. While the fellas went to get the ATV and the plow, I went to work on finding as many little bulbils from the walking onions as I could, which will be used to replant. Egyptian walking onions are a precious resource for me, being a perennial that just keep on giving all season, even when I don't treat them too well. Bruce's grandfather had made this plow, apparently in 1960. Pretty hard going, as of course the plow was made to, dig up already tilled land. So it was an effort for them, that's for sure.
Back up a little.
They worked on the final touch-up while I stood by and watched. But this is wonderful. They cleared more than I had originally dug up myself. So it's 3 by 12 here now, and so 36 extra feet. So lots of room for growing walking onions and other vegetables too. These larger bulbs are the actual plant root itself, which does create bulbs on your walking onions. And then I've got a whole basket full of the little bulbils that grow perfectly fine, so they'll be starting from fresh. And while digging around, I found this little chestnut trying to be a chestnut tree. I thought it'd be fun just to plant it on, see what happens. Then it was on to the next project. Now, Newfoundland and our property has so many mountain ash trees, or what we call in Atlantic Canada, dogberries, or roanberries is another name. And I've always been trying, they're such gorgeous berries with an awful taste, but I've been trying to make something with them because, you know, it's a wonderful free resource. I have tried making dogberries in simple syrup, which was quite nice. And I've made the dogberry jelly, which is gorgeous but bitter. We've talked for years of we should try the dogberry wine, but it's not reported to be too tasty. The berries are very bitter. However, we're going to give it a go. So Drew picked some berries. We're adding a bag of apples, lots of sugar, boil them up, and then add regular dry yeast. It's worth a try. Now we have a feeling it may be tossed over the veranda because we've heard tell it tastes a bit like paint thinner. Oh well, all good fun. So will it be dogberry wine or turpentine? We will see. Take care, we'll see you soon.